Here we can see the transformer, and now I check the transformer voltage. Where I connect this portion, and we see that, and now set the AC portion. Okay, here is 38.4 voltage. Okay, 38.4 voltage or 38.6. okay, now check the middle point and 19.1 and others 19.1. so we can say that it's 19019 transformer. Here we see the bridge rectifier, and this is the output plus and output minus, and AC portion input here, the middle two pins input here AC line, and output positive voltage and output negative voltage. The positive voltage connect the capacitors positive portions and negative others negative connect to the others capacitors positive portions, and negative portions connect to the bridge rectifier negative port, and here is input and here is output, and this is ground. Let's go to see the diagram. Here is the bridge rectifier and 20020 transformer. Here we can see three portions of this transformer. The first one is 20 volt, the second one is 0 volt, and the third one is 20 volt. These all are AC volt. Now connect those 20 volt section to bridge rectifier AC portion. I need two capacitors of the same capacitance. I used 35 volt and 3300 microfarad capacitors. Now we can see here two open portions of this rectifier. There are DC positive and DC negative portion. Also here transformer ground or 0 portion goes to the capacitor's ground portion. There are DC positive volt and DC negative volt portion. The positive portion goes to the capacitor's anode port and the negative portion goes to the capacitor's cathode port. Here we found three ports. There are DC positive volt, ground, and DC negative volt. Here is the AC 20 volt, and this is ground. Now I check the voltage, connect the positive port to positive portion and negative to negative. Here we can see 53.3 voltage DC volt, and this is the ground pin, and I connect the port negative portion. Here is minus 26.7 and now positive portions 26.78. okay, the transformer is ready to apply in any circuit board.